Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. Today we're going to be planting our Simply Seed shallots. Now, I've not grown shallots before because I've never really tried them. I've only grown onions in the past, and obviously they're like onions, but they'll grow loads of little onions off the bulb. So these are shallots. As you can see, they're quite big. So yeah, we've got to get them planted because you plant them in autumn, ready for next year, ready to harvest around June, July time. So we need to get these in the ground today and get them growing. So let's get these planted and let's get these growing. So these are all the shallots that we've got to plant. We've got about 20 of them, so quite a lot to plant. So we're going to plant them in this stretch of ground here. Now, in some of my other videos you've seen I put compost down. Well, this already had compost dug in with it from last year, so that should be pretty good soil. So let's get these planted and let's get these in the ground ready to start growing. So we've planted them all. We've left plenty of space in between each one so that we can try and keep the weeds down in them. So hopefully they'll start shooting up pretty soon and get growing. So as well, you can net them as well because the pigeons will eat the green shoots off them once the shoots start coming through them. So you can net them as well to protect them from the pigeons, the birds, the squirrels, rats, mice, everything. So yeah, give them a good protection and let them grow. So make sure you stay tuned and stay up to date with all my videos. Give me a follow and you'll be able to keep updated with how well they're getting growing. Give us a like, leave a comment to help with the algorithm as well. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.